So hello everyone, we are going to be installing Linux server Fedora version today. Let's go. Put in your first name as the last name and choose Linux with the Fedora 64-bit version. Click next. Over here we will choose 4 GB of RAM. We will create a virtual hard disk, and this will be a virtual hard disk, virtual box disk image. We will move to expert mode. We would like to be able to add more GB. We have multiple options here, up to 2 terabytes. We are going to be using 50 GB dynamically allotted. I'm going to go ahead, press create. Once we've pressed create, we are going to go to settings, go to storage, and here we are going to add the ISO file that we have downloaded. We are going to choose this and remove this attachment. Then we are going to go to system, and over here we are going to change the boot order to optical. Press OK, and then go ahead and click start. Once you press start, there will be an option that you will be able to see here. From the drop down, please go ahead and select Fedora Workstation Live. Once you've done that, click start and the virtual machine should open. We are going to be using, won't be testing or troubleshooting. We'll use start Fedora Workstation Live 28. We're going to go to view and choose scaled mode and then switch. This process takes just a few minutes. So this is the first option. Please choose install to hard drive. Once you've done that, we have to wait for the next option. You have to choose the language and then choose the time and the dates. Let's go ahead. Yes, we're going to use English Canada. And here, if you notice, there are multiple options. We are going to go ahead and choose installation destination. So let's go ahead and select this. And over here, if you notice, it is asking us to select which is the local standard hard disk. We will choose this one. Scroll below. You can see we've chosen this one. It is asking us to begin the selection from here. So once you've chosen this one, fresh. I'm going to just quickly rescan and see if you can get, okay, right? And you can see that the custom option is now available to us. Once the custom option is available, select this on top and you can select done. Once you do that, it is now asking you for additional details. We are going to be using the manual partitioning scheme. So this would be standard partition, which we are going to choose. Once you choose standard partition, we are going to say click here to create them automatically. Over here, you can see in SDA3, which is the one that we are going to choose, we are going to reduce the capacity for this to 35 GB. Press on update settings and then go ahead and press done. Okay, we're going to just accept all the changes and we have the option for begin installation. So we'll click on begin installation and this takes a few minutes. So once the process is complete, we are going to press quit. And once we have pressed quit, we should be on the Fedora Live desktop screen. We are going to go on the right upper corner